to Hit-And-Run Candlesticks and Rick's View. Yesterday we had a gap down after Thursday's gap down after an island reversal type candlestick pattern up here at near the 34 exponential moving average. Yesterday came down and put in a low that was higher than the previous lows, which is a double bottom here. With positive trading today, and if we could get up over the T-line, we could all of a sudden switch from a short-term downtrend back to our short-term uptrend. Positive candles that takes us out or blows us out of these tops could send us up into the 50 simple, possibly the 200 simple moving averages. And if you split them, if you come over here, you get a nice little resistance level right in here. So it makes for a good target for us to run into. One thing we want to be careful of today is the pop and drop scenario. It's looking pretty obvious by the futures this morning that we are going to get a gap open, very positive open today. What I don't want to do is chase anything. If I can't get it early enough or at a decent entry, I want to stay away from it, because there is that chance we put in this pop and drop where the chart comes up and then it just starts fading all the way back down, giving up any possible profits, in fact giving you losses that you may be taking because you bought it too high. So be careful of that. We want to see a positive close today and positive trading, certainly over the 20-day simple moving average. That's this green dotted line right here. And I would love to see it close over the T-line, and that would get us in our short-term trend heading back up. I want to look at a stock, the only sell yesterday, let's see, HOLI, H-O-L-I. Sold half of it, the first half for 14%, and sold the second half, ended up selling it out for 17%. HOLI is still a great looking chart, but when we get profits up into that double digit area, especially if the market is not looking the best, then I want to protect those profits and take profits. That's doing that up into strength is a very positive way to trade. Not always reaching for the highest high. That's something we want to watch for. Is somebody may say, well, we have a target here of the 50 simple. Well, that may be a target, but it doesn't mean you have to accept that. You can certainly take profits somewhere in the middle. As a trader, one thing we don't want to do is try to catch the very bottoms and then let's draw a little line up here. Let's assume this is the top and catching the very tops. What we want to do is try to collect the money in the middle, the sweet spot right in here. So as it moves up into strength, I want to take profits. Somebody's idea strength might be a little bit higher, somebody's might be a little bit lower. We're all individuals, we're all different traders. The most important thing is that you end the day, in the week, in the month, or in the year with profits. Alrighty, I hope to see everybody in the trading room today. Again, thank you very much for listening. This was Rick with Hit-And-Run Candlesticks.